Where's my money? Huh? Where is my money? Or maybe we should apply some gel over here. Over here. I think we should look for some high heels. I think you should train on how to walk with these two legs, huh? Yeah, you look beautiful. I love it, man. I love it for sure. You look good. So now tell me, what about my money? When are you going to give me my money? Huh? When are you going to give me my money? Do you like this situation? You see? You look good, by the way. Can you walk? Try. Just try. Come. Just try. Give me a try. Give me a try, man. Just come. Give me a try. You don't know how to walk, man. Yeah? Now what about my money? How am I going to get my money with the plot? You know, I gave you enough time, but you did nothing. You never showed any concern towards this, huh? How am I going to get... Anita, how do you feel? Huh? Oh my goodness. Good. You're trying, by the way, you're trying, huh? You can wake up, bro. You're trying. You're trying, huh? You know you have to get out of this house. This is not your home. Yeah? PL wants to sleep, so you have to get yourself out of this house.
Calvo.
How are you going to get out?
Calvo.
Yeah? It's true, bro.
Bro. So
no, bro, like
vitu kama hizi kwake. Unaona?
But bro, how? In fact, what were you doing here? Have you been living here? Have you been living here? What were you doing here? Huh? I told you, but you thought I was joking, in fact, eh? You thought I was joking. You thought like these things are just like they're just dramas, they're just stories, they can't happen. You have a good leg, man. So like maybe like let's say for example, when it's time for lunch and I don't have food, maybe I'm broke, I can come over, cut this. I don't have food, maybe I'm broke, I can come over, cut these two legs like this, a laughing thing with some super. You look good, by the way. You look good. You can walk. Where's my money? You have to give me my money. In fact, you have to get yourself out of this place. You have to go. You have to go, in fact. What are you doing here? We go, come. I'll help you, come. I want to help you. You want to sleep here? Come, I want to